Scotty, you guys have it almost all the way closed.
Yep. So, I don't know if you can see in there with the camera. We have...
Those are AC lines.
Yep. So I'm going to have to notch it.
For those.
Here. And I'll go down to where it is here and just notch that out completely so that there's no issue of anything touching.
Okay.
And then I don't know if you can see up in here, we're just gently touching at the curved portion.
Oh yeah, you can trim that out just a little
So I'll
bit.
trim that towards us, or towards the front of the grill, and then go across to take that out almost completely, keep it flush. And I'll have to trim around the edge of the radiator cap so that we'll have to notch it like this.
Yes, we have room.
Yep.
So before you do that though, let's bolt it at the bottom so it's square, and then you can get a
Oh yeah, exactly.
shot. So I guess the next step is going to be reopen the hood, get that bolted square at the bottom, and then we'll go from there. It's coming along.
Slowly but surely.
It's been a process. Do you want Xander to open the hood?
Yes, please. Let me get out of the way.
Nah, just open it with him there. Come on. Yeah, so let's mount our bottom brackets and be finalized there. But that's looking good. And you got to figure out your upper hose situation too.
Yep.
And then the wiring comes. Yay. It's a lot of work. Big project.
We're good.
All right. Scotty's on it. Good job, sir.